Hi there, welcome to Your Next Cars YouTube channel. Wasim here presenting you a short video of this gorgeous 420i M Sport we're having. 420i Gran coupe, so 4 doors and a big boot. One of our best sellers. This is a 2020 model, covered 24,000 miles. ULEZ compliant, one owner from brand new with a full main dealer service history. Presented in mineral grey with the absolutely gorgeous, stunning coral red Dakota leather. Really nice contrast, you don't often get this combination. Let's take a look around. LED headlights to the front and rear parking sensors, twin slat kidney grille and expertly fitted 3-piece front splitter in-house. 20-inch wheel upgrade. As standard, this car came with 18-inch wheels. We've upgraded these to the competition style by colour, so you can see the insert of the wheel is gloss black and the face is a tinted lacquer. Excuse me. Gloss black sidebars, matte vinyl decals, gloss black air breathers. We've got the gloss mirror caps there as well. Privacy glass to the rear. The wheels are staggered, so wider rears, giving it a really nice stance. Gloss black rear spoiler, high gloss rear diffuser. LED tail lights as well, being the facelift model. Best features of this car is the huge boot, which is obviously electric as well. Folding rear seats and electrically closing boot as well as opening. Very, very tidy car in and out. Let's take a look in the back. Rear centre armrest, 3 seat belts, 2 of those Isofix. Interior is absolutely immaculate. Doesn't appear to have been smoked in or any pets. Electrically adjustable mirrors, 4 electric windows, automatic headlights. We have cruise control, multifunction steering wheel and voice control. 8-speed automatic paddle shift with a Tiptronic mode as well. Got the carbon structure interior trim, which is absolutely immaculate. It's quite prone to getting chipped if somebody's got a big set of keys or maybe a ring. Updated iDrive, being the 2020, this is a touchscreen. So we'll go in and have a look at the media playback, DAB, Bluetooth audio. It's got an inbuilt hard drive as well. In terms of service history and next service impending, we've got oil service in 16,000 miles, brake fluid March next year, and 2 services listed on the iDrive. Physically in stock, ready to go. We don't use library images. This is the car, it's here, ready to go. You can place a holding deposit of £250, which holds the car up to 7 days for you. Part exchange is welcome. We have a variety of lenders on board for good rate finance, 8.9 APR. You can quote yourself on our website and apply. If however you have your own funding options in place, we welcome those, no problem at all. Thanks for watching, appreciate your time, thank you.